Here at 141 Shooting Range, we get asked a lot of questions about what type of CPR training we offer, so we decided to make this short video. We have 3 basic types of CPR training that we provide. 1. We do lay responder training. 2. Basic life support training. And 3. We also have business training that can encompass the other 2. However, we can come to you and provide more customization. If you are an individual needing CPR training, you will need our open enrollment training. We offer these 1 or 2 times a month. In this open enrollment training, we have 2 types of CPR training offered: lay responder training and training for medical professionals. This training is done in the American Red Cross blended learning option that allows you to do the cognitive or academic portion at your convenience at home or work, then come to the location on the class details to do the hands-on portion that takes less than 2 hours. We feel this is the best training for the majority of people looking for CPR training and will get you the same certification card as a full in-person class. However, it is your responsibility to make sure the certification card will meet your company's criteria to get credit for the training. For lay responder training, anyone non-medical, we do Adult and Pediatric First Aid, CPR, and AED, Adult, Child, and Infant Training. This training meets the criteria for most teachers, daycare workers, foster and adoptive parents, pilots, factory workers, and anyone else who is not in the medical field. If you just need adult first aid, CPR, and AED, this training we offer will fulfill this requirement. The second kind of CPR training we do for open enrollment is called BLS, or Basic Life Support. This is taught to medical professionals. So if you're a doctor, nurse, dentist, dental assistant, first responder, fireman, EMS worker, and anyone else in the medical field will probably need basic life support. The third option that we offer is our business training. This is where we can customize the training for any business. We travel to you and do the training on site. This is great for factories, daycares, medical offices, and many other places. We can customize your training with as few as 6 to 8 people who need training at your facility. We can do American Heart Association, American Red Cross, ASHI, and HSI, and we can do the full version or the blended version. Please contact us if you need business training so we can customize your needs. Please use the form on our Contact Us page to start the discussion for your training. If you're an individual needing more information such as pricing, date, and more details, please look at the options below.